This is TV, we're here to stay.
Wow! It's no longer news. Hamster shall be listing on the 26th of this month. Hope you are ready. Is your wallet connected to the listed options we have there? We have the Binance, we have the OKS, we have the Bybit, we have the Telegram wallet, we have the on-chain. Please and please, as a matter of urgency, I will advise you to avoid the OKS. OKS is no longer functioning in Nigeria. So if you are using that as an option, please, you may not be able to cash it out when need be. Please equally avoid the Telegram wallet. Anything can happen to the Telegram and you lose your funds. Now remember during docs, Telegram wallet, those that use their on-chain wallet, we are unable to get their docs when they needed to. So it took them 2 weeks to 3 weeks to get their doc being deposited. Please avoid it. Now we have 3 important options there. We have the Binance, we have the Bybit, yes, and we equally have the BitGet if you want to use that. Please and please, for your own good, if you want to make sell immediately it is listed, I would advise you to go for either Binance or what? Bybit. Again, Binance, I Bybit. That is my own personal option. Please, you can decide to make good use of any other ones if they suit you. But for my own opinion, I would suggest you use Binance and Bybit. In this video, I shall be teaching you on how to deposit your anticipated hamster into Binance. Follow me. I shall put you through from the beginning to the end. Ensure that you follow me to the end of the video so that you can be able to do so. Remember to follow me on Facebook for further updates. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. If you are watching from there, on TikTok, do likewise. Now let's go. Quickly click on the airdrop section. You can see the listing date. Scroll down, you see the withdrawal options. You have the Binance, you have the OKS. Please don't use OKS. You have the Bybit, wallet and Telegram, IB exchange, on-chain airdrop. Now, the one I'm teaching you is on Binance. How to do the Binance. Alright, I chose Binance. Quickly click on yes, I have it. You have see where you can deposit your hamster deposit address and the memo. Please ensure that you obtain this neatly from your Binance. Quickly we are heading to Binance. Open up your Binance. Ensure that you are verified. Yes, click on deposit, then type hamster on the option. On the search button, you can see the hamster there. It opens up quickly. Click on Tom Coin, which is the network. Then copy this, which is the deposit address. Copy it, move over to your hamster, then paste it here on hamster deposit address. Paste. Please don't edit anything. You heard me again. Click on top to click out. Then remember I said don't edit. Then go back to memo. Haven't done that, go back to your Binance again. Click on this memo part. Click on it, hamster memo. Take it, yes. Click on it, copy it. Don't edit anything. Go back, then paste it right here. Hope you are with me. You paste it there. Alright, I haven't pasted there. I will equally go back to go and check if what I have is correct ahead. For double checking, they have to check to compare if what I have there actually is in tandem with what I have pasted. Okay, haven't done that. What should I do next? You click on save. Yes. Let's wait as it saves. Wow, network seems to be bad. Please, while we wait, remember to follow this page. Share this video to your friends who will prefer using the Binance as the best option for depositing their hamster. Alright, hope you are following. Network is actually not there for us. Okay, let's see. Or many people are actually using Binance as their preferred option. That is the reason for this conjunction. Okay, let's keep waiting. Wow, we have succeeded. Can't you see what it gives in response? Well done, thanks. Yeah, that's the response. Now if you go back, you see that it's now not highlighted again. I have done it. Now the request to Binance was sent. Okay, can't you see how I did mine? Now with this, I have actually given them what I need. I have chosen Binance as my preferred option. Now, if this video has been helpful to you, remember to follow this page. Send this video to your friends. Thanks a lot.